So.
Which way's the waterway? Oh, I remember. Follow me. No, follow me. We haven't went that way.
Yeah, we did. That's how we went out to get to the parking lot yesterday.
Oh. Yeah, we've been that way.
Yeah, that's like a little trail. Yeah, remember that was where the stepping stones were.
Yeah. Where I got scared of the spider.
There he got scared of a spider.
That was harmless. We also went that way, right?
Yeah, we did, I think.
No, we didn't.
Oh, we didn't go that way?
No. They're close.
No, the water place is down this way, honey.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is amongst the rocks.
Yeah, that takes you up to that little, it's just like a walking path up there.
I was going to take the bridge.
The bridge is up there, but you want to go this way to get to the water place over here.
Oh.
Yeah, there's the water.
There's got to be people here, right? Yeah, there's people here.
It's okay if there's people here.
I wanted people here.
Oh, okay.
There's a what place in here? What are they talking about? What are they talking about? There's something chasing them.
Oh, they're just playing.
Ow.
I'll sit here. Okay.
Now that you have the camera, we can view everything.
Yeah, that's why we can show.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm guessing another stuff. Don't forget to show this video to Daddy.
I won't forget.
Wait, people heard me. Hi, people out